You're looking for a small, warm country with growing opportunities to work in. Madagascar could be one of your options. It's beautiful with thousands of wonders to enjoy. You just need to know the work visa rules to get there. Watch this video to find out. Hi, I'm Behnam from the Visa Library. You're about to learn all about the Madagascar work visa. Before I begin, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell. You're not missing any updates. Don't forget to get the free cheat sheet for work visa from the link in the description. Now, let's begin. Let me ask you this. What is your first step in applying for a work visa? Well, you must get a job offer from an employer or company in Madagascar. Look for one in the websites that advertise such jobs. Websites like Job Board Finder, Indeed, LinkedIn, Go Abroad, Overseas Jobs. These websites help you find a job in the country. There are some websites to find a job opportunity as an English teacher like ESL Employment, Total ESL, ESL Cafe, TESLL. Negotiate with the employer online and try to get the offer. When you're done, you need to sign an employment contract. It must contain the details of the employment. At this stage, the employer or employee must get approval from the Ministry of Public Service, Labor Administration Reform, and Social Laws. When the government agrees to issue the work visa, the employee needs to apply for a work visa. Now you need to gather the list of supporting documents to submit them to the embassy. Here is a list of them. Number 1 is the employment contract. Remember that the Ministry of Public Service, Labor Administration Reform, and Social Laws (MFPTLS) needs to stamp the work contract. It is the employer's responsibility or the person you ask to complete the procedures to receive the authorization on the employment contract. As I told you, the contract should explain every detail about your employment, especially the payment and duration of employment. Number 2 is a work permit delivering by MFPTLS. This approval is necessary so you as the employee can apply for a work visa. Number 3 is the certificate of registration. The certificate of registration of the company residing in Madagascar is needed. Number 4 is the tax records. The tax identification number of the company in Madagascar is needed. Number 5 is photo. 2 recent passport-size photo of the applicant is needed. They must have been taken recently. Number 6 is the passport. A valid passport with at least 1 year validity issued in the last 10 years ago is needed. Remember that the authorities also need a copy of your passport. Number 7 is the application form. You can download this form from the Madagascar Embassy or Consulate website in your home country. They might have a different application form by your nationality and case. Number 7 is the Clean Record Certificate. A police certificate or Clean Criminal Record certificate is needed from the police in your home country. It may not be older than 3 months ago at the time of application. If you have stayed longer than 6 months in any foreign country, provide a certificate from that country as well. The embassy needs to sign it as well. Remember this point. Number 8 is the yellow fever vaccination. Vaccination is needed if you have stayed in a country where yellow fever is common for at least 6 months. Also, you need to get typhoid, COVID-19, and hepatitis vaccination. Number 9 is a letter of intent. The employee must write a letter and explain the purpose of visit to Madagascar, then sign and date it. Number 10 is the payment of visa fees. When you pay the fees for visa processing, keep the receipt to submit to the embassy. This was the list of documents, but it was not all of it. The embassy might ask for further documents by your nationality. At this stage, you need to find the nearest Madagascar embassy. Just Google it and find the closest one. Schedule a meeting with them. You can book the meeting before gathering the supporting documents, but you must have enough time to collect the list of documents. Get to the meeting on the scheduled date and do not forget to bring the documents. Check your documents and see if there is not anything missing. You would better prepare copies as there is no such services with the embassy. Do some research before getting to the embassy. Find out how much is the fee for visa processing and how do the embassy accept it. A credit card, cash, or transferring the money to a bank account. Determine if they have precautionary measures over COVID-19 or not, like wearing a mask or showing vaccination certificate. When you meet the visa officers, submit the document and answer their questions. When the meeting with the embassy is done, wait for visa processing. It takes time for the officials to work on your visa and issue it. When the visa is ready, the embassy informs you to get it. You either have to send your passport to get the visa stick or deliver it in person. When you have the visa stick on your passport, you can move to Madagascar. But it's not all. Getting into the country, you must obtain a residence permit. So it is necessary to bring some of your documents during the visa processing. The local immigration authorities will guide you on how to get your residence permit. Now you can work as long as your permit is valid and enjoy this lovely country. Alright then, this was all you should know about Madagascar work visa. If you have questions, write them down in the comment section. The Visa Library team will get to them right away. Before you leave, ensure to like this video and download the free cheat sheet from the link in the description. Stay tuned, thank you all for watching.